Hey, welcome back to Policy Keeper. If you've been in an accident, this video is for you. Claiming insurance can feel overwhelming. You're not alone in this. Many vehicle owners face confusion after a crash. Let's break it down simply. I'll guide you through the process. You'll feel more confident by the end. First, why does this matter right now? Accidents happen suddenly. You might be stressed and unsure. Knowing the steps can save you time. It can prevent financial loss. I've seen too many struggles on the road. People often miss key deadlines. Their claims get delayed or rejected. It's a common pain point. Let me share a real observation. I notice folks forgetting to report quickly. They focus on repairs first. That's a big mistake. Insurance rules require prompt action. Delays can complicate things. Now, let me tell you about Priya. She had a minor fender bender last month. Priya was shaken but unhurt. She didn't know what to do next. She waited 2 days to call her insurer. That caused issues with her claim. The surveyor questioned the delay. Priya had to provide extra proof. It took weeks to settle. Her experience is all too common. But you can avoid this. Understanding the insurance rule is crucial. You must report the accident immediately. As per regulations, notify your insurer as soon as possible. Ideally, do it within 24 hours. This starts the claim process. Your insurer will assign a surveyor. The surveyor assesses the damage. They check if it's covered under your policy. Comprehensive policies cover own damage. Third-party policies cover others' damage. Know what your policy includes. Always carry your insurance papers. Keep them in your vehicle. After reporting, file a police report if needed. For serious accidents, an FIR is mandatory. For minor ones, it might not be. Check local laws to be sure. Don't forget to exchange details with others involved. Get their insurance information. Take photos of the scene. Document everything clearly. This evidence supports your claim. Now, let's dive into practical things you can do. First, stay calm after an accident. Check for injuries immediately. Your safety comes first. Call for medical help if required. Move to a safe spot if possible. Don't admit fault at the scene. Let the authorities decide. Second, contact your insurance provider quickly. Use their helpline number from your policy. Provide all necessary details. Tell them the time and location. Share photos if you have them. Third, cooperate with the surveyor. They will visit to inspect the damage. Be honest about what happened. Don't attempt repairs before approval. Unauthorized repairs might not be covered. Get estimates from network garages. Your insurer might have a list. Follow their guidance for repairs. Once approved, get the vehicle fixed. Submit all bills to the insurer. They will process the payment. For cashless claims, the garage bills directly. For reimbursement, you pay first. Then claim the amount later. Keep all receipts safe. Don't lose any documents. The claim settlement should follow regulations. It typically takes a few weeks. Delays can occur if documents are missing. Be patient, but follow up regularly. Now, what if your claim is denied? Insurers can deny for valid reasons, like if you were driving without a license, or if the accident was intentional. Review the rejection letter carefully. You can appeal if you disagree. Contact the insurer's grievance cell. Escalate to the ombudsman if needed. Know your rights under the law. Always maintain your policy validity. Lapsed policies won't cover anything. Renew on time to avoid gaps. Consider add-ons for better protection, like zero depreciation or engine cover. They can help in major accidents. Remember, insurance is for peace of mind. Don't let the process scare you. Take it one step at a time. I want to ask you a real question. Have you ever felt lost after an accident? Share your story in the comments. Your experience can help others. Let's build a supportive community. I'm here to guide you through. For more tips, stay tuned. Check in, tell me in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Policy Keeper for more. Visit policykeeper.in for a free quote, or message us on WhatsApp at +917 606 85800 and get your queries solved in minutes.